Since it was first introduced in 2009, the Action Trackchair has taken hundreds of disabled adults and children back outdoors, off the paved path, and participating in activities important in their families and important to them. Now, Action Manufacturing, the builders of the Action Trackchair, have taken this concept one step further. Now, not only will this rugged chair get you to the action, it will allow you to stand and participate. The same high-grade materials, quality components, innovative design, and craftsmanship that has given the outdoor life back to hundreds of customers in the US, Canada, Europe, and Australia is available in the Action Trackstander, a new way to stand.
Hi, I'm Tim Swenson, Marshall, Minnesota. My wife and I have been here since in the 70s, and 1979 we started in business in Marshall, and in 86 we started with Action Sports and had two young sons, and they enjoyed going in the mud and the snow and all those things you have fun with ATVs and snowmobiles and so on. But life took a little turn in October 1998 when we got the phone call that parents don't like to get. Your child has been in a car accident and come to the hospital. And so Donna and I went through that process, and our child was hurt, paralyzed, Jeff at 16 years old, and what was normal became a different normal at that point in time. That's a number of years ago, a number of years have passed. Jeff's doing fine, lives in Montana. Our other son Jim is in Marshall, and but a new normal has come, and looking at Jeff and the challenges of being in a wheelchair, and of course me being in the motorsports business, I started putting two and two together. How can we put tracks on a wheelchair?
The Action Trackstander will allow people to do work they thought impossible, to take part in family activities they thought were gone forever, to live a life with more possibilities, more activities, and less limitations. The Action Trackstander can change your view. The Action Trackstander can get you out doing things you enjoy without the restrictions of a standard chair. The Action Trackstander may even allow you to try something you never thought possible. The Action Trackstander, a new way to stand, to work, to play, to live. From Action Manufacturing, inventor and builders of the Action Trackchair. Look for them at actiontrackchair.com, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Twitter.